Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ultra hardware number 67108 is the code for this aluminum. It's nice quality, attractive aluminum, full hinged, spring-loaded letter slot. It's really a magazine slot because magazine slots are the larger of the two sizes. You've got letter and magazine. I would classify this as magazine. Nice attractive finish on the face of that aluminum. Weighs about 0.85 pounds, or at least it does in its box. So even being aluminum, it's relatively heavy. That's obviously the exterior. Hinged flap, which is concealed inside of here. Inside of the barrel that's here. That's the exterior. The interior, really just a trim plate is what it is. Okay. Give you a way to cover off the door. That's how that's going to be installed. Generally, we'll see it I don't suppose there's a hard and fast rule which side you're going to install it on. Oh no, you're going to want to install that, in my opinion, with the groove pointed down on the inside. Here's why. When it's up, you're going to be able to flush off your preparations. Flush off the hole that's through the door, but you're also making the screws. You don't want to run the risk of those screws bumping into each other. Although actually, now that I look at it, I don't believe that they really would. No, they won't. If it's an 1 3/4 door, they won't. So I don't really see a problem of it being installed on the top. Like that. Installing it down below, you'll offset your screw holes. Okay. And it'll trim off real nice as well. I'm pleased with this, with the finish on this. Many Ultra hardware items simply have exhibit a confluence of quality, nice fit and finish, and excellent value. Okay, the screws I had mentioned earlier. Here you go, just typical flathead sheet metal screws. Let me give you some dimensional properties. They have an opening size of 1 5/8 by 1 1/2. Let's test that first. 1 5/8. Yeah, I'd say that'd be correct. I think I said 1 1/2. It's 11 1/2. Yeah, about 11 1/4 I would go with. Okay. For use with screen and storm doors, sure, naturally. Let's go with an overall of the exterior. Overall plate size is 13 inch. Overall height, about 3 5/16. Your interior plate, 13 inch. Overall, 3 inch. Okay. Projection of the exterior, we can kind of gauge that there on the camera. About 9/16 on the hinge barrel at the top, but then the flap down below, or the handle, I should say, is about 1 inch. Okay. Spring loaded is nice. It's always going to snap shut to keep the hole closed off. There is no sleeve that's available for this from Ultra, so you'll need to trim off the opening once you cut the hole through the door yourself. The balance of information below this video we've already covered. Aluminum, single flap, hinged, satin finish, fully hinged door, spring-loaded flap. They say it's a gravity flap, but this isn't a gravity flap. You'd call it spring-loaded. 3 by 13 size. We've got the interior opening. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ultra hardware products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Ultra hardware, this is their part number 67108. Aluminum hinged, spring-loaded, magazine size mail slot, or any other Ultra product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.